morning. The Japanese yen fell against most major counterparts, and the dollar also weakened after Chinese reports showing industrial output rose and the most in 3 months, and retail sales beat forecasts. The dollar was trading at 1.2814 to the euro at 6:10 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time, while the yen was trading at 107.65 to the euro at 6:11 a.m. GMT. In the long term, the euro is losing out to the dollar as renewed concern over the solvency of nations from Portugal to Ireland points to another slump for the euro. According to Mr. Derek Halpenny, the European head of currency research at Bank of Tokyo Mitsubishi UFJ Limited in London, both the euro and the dollar are weak currencies, but the euro region's problems are more difficult to solve than those in the US. The Canadian dollar has advanced for a second consecutive week as the nation's central bank raised interest rates, its employers added more jobs, and investors sought high-yielding assets. The loonie was trading at 1.3234 to the euro at 6:20 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Gold, although little change, may decline as a rally in equities reduced demand for the precious metal as a safe haven. Gold was trading at $1,248 an ounce at 6:21 a.m. GMT. Crude rose for a second day in New York on expectations that fuel demand will climb in the US and China. Prices advanced the most in 6 weeks on September 10th as China increased imports of crude, and after a pipeline that carries Canadian oil to refineries in the US Midwest was shut down. Oil was trading at $77.47 a barrel at 6:05 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. Finally, the European Central Bank's President Jean-Claude Trichet will be closing a press conference today. The minutes of his speech are expected to have an impact on the euro dollar. That's the news for today. Have a fantastic trading week.